Assalamu alaikum students. This is the third part of second chapter, that is ecosystem. Ecosystem means a unit in a nature where there is an interaction between living and non-living components is known as ecosystem. Means here how the living things and non-living things interact, how the interaction between the living and non-living components in a nature. Okay children, so here the next point is ecosystem consists of two types, that is aquatic ecosystem and terrestrial ecosystem. Let's we see the components of ecosystem: abiotic components and biotic components. Abiotic component means the non-living components are called as abiotic components. Examples: soil and water, etc., which doesn't have the life, that is called as the abiotic components. And biotic components means the living components are called biotic components. Example: plants, animals and bacteria, etc., are the examples of biotic components. So here children, let's we see the food chain. Here living things are connected to each other, from the tiniest organism to the largest of the creature. All the living things need energy to survive. So where does it energy comes from? Let's we see. Energy passes from one organism to the another, connecting living things like link in a chain, that is a food chain. Of course, a food chain known as actual chain, it is a way to talk about relationship between organisms and shows how the energy flow between the living things. The sun energy reaches the earth as a light and heat and plays very important role in producing the photosynthesis. Because plants prepare their own food is from the sun energy is called as producer. Every food chain must begin with the producer. For example, grass. The animals eat grass or plants. Such animals are called as consumers. Consumers that eat plants. When the animals eat plant, the sum of the energy plants captured from the sun is transferred into the animal's body, and it is useful things like moving, breathing and growing. When the animals eat the plants is primary consumer. Primary means first. Next comes secondary consumers. In the food chain, this consumer is a carnivore and gets their energy by eating other animals, maybe a rabbit eaten by a fox. When fox eat a rabbit, a part of energy that a rabbit got from a grass is transferred to the fox. Rabbit eats the grass, then the fox eats the rabbit. The energy came from the sun is captured by the grass, transferred to the rabbit and then transferred to the fox. Here grasshopper is a primary consumer. Grasshopper eats grass and then gets eaten by a secondary consumer, that is a bluebird. Then bluebird gets eaten by a tertiary for third level consumer. A snake is eaten by owl. The owl is a apex predator in the food chain. Apex predator is not hunted and eaten by anyone. We say that they are at the top of the food chain. When animals die, their bodies are broken down by decomposers. Decomposers are usually bacteria and fungi that break down dead animals into nutrients like minerals in a soil. From this soil, again the plants will grow. So this process is called as the food chain. So here the picture of food web. Thank you.